Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I present with another urgent alert news of Zilliqa. So keep watch this video till the end because this video is going very important, very urgent for all Zilliqa holders. Before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. So at this time the price of Zilliqa in the market is 0.122522 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Zilliqa. And on the other side, if we talk about the price change of the Zilliqa, so the last 1 hour price change is negative, last 1 day price change is negative, and last 1 week price change is positive, my friends. Only the previous last 1 day price change is negative, but that's not mean then you decide to sell. When you see a lot of people, when see the small fast, so they decide to sell. But no, my friends, don't do this mistake. And if you do this mistake, so be safe, be alert, don't do this mistake. Every fast, after every fast, there is a jump. Remember that, my friends. Now you can see here this time in the market, absolutely the previous month price change in Zilliqa is absolutely the all is going negative, my friends. Last 1 month price is negative 51.26%. The price after Zilliqa is negative, and the highest price is 0.250985 USD dollar. That is the highest price after Zilliqa and the last 1 month. So now as you know that the last 1 hour, last 1 day price is negative. So that's not mean, my friends, that is urgent alert news. Don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell, my friends. If you sell, so you are in the loss because the last 1 month price is still negative. And if you hold, so absolutely, my friends, there is a lot of chances in the future to the price pump. The price will give you good amount of profit. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Zilliqa? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.